Hi, it's Arthur and today I'll show you how to copy and paste on Samsung Galaxy Book 4. So first we'll try with a text. So I'll just type something. Now select it, and the first option to copy is to right click and copy. As you can see, now to paste, right click and paste. And the second option to copy and paste is select, click left Ctrl and C to copy, and left Ctrl and V to paste. And you can do it also with files, so Ctrl and C, Ctrl and V. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.